I just built 3 content businesses in 3 hours. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly the same. Check this out. This is Higgsfield Supercomputer, and it's not just another chatbot. It's a complete system that creates an entire business in less than an afternoon. From one prompt, Supercomputer will find the gap in the market, build the product, build the brand, even sell the product for you. All of it done. There's no more excuses in 2026. Congratulations. You're now a developer, a founder, a one-person agency, a tech CEO, and whatever you want to be with this technology. Let me show you what I mean. Here's business number 1. There are thousands of anonymous people worldwide who have already started building entire businesses off of AI influencers. Aitana Lopez gets paid $30,000 per month. Ludu Magulu, well, she gets paid $30,000 per post. And these people are not even real. Remember the old movie Simone with Al Pacino, where he is an AI influencer? Well, it's happening. In 2026, it's actually happening in real time. We're going to jump into Higgsfield Supercomputer. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description below. But it's super simple, guys. There's no setting it up. All you have to do, as soon as you land on the webpage, just start talking to it like you're talking to your best friend. Here we go. Make me an AI influencer woman in her mid-20s with blonde hair, blue eyes, with trendy clothes. Let's start there. Something simple. Let's click enter. Perfect. This is what Higgsfield Supercomputer just gave us. Now, chances are, if you scroll TikTok or Instagram every day, even Facebook and YouTube, you've scrolled past an AI influencer like this and you didn't even know he or she was AI. And there's people already monetizing this, guys. Let's take this a step further and let's actually start generating some videos. Hey, buddy, let's do a video. What did you have in mind? The great part about this is that you can talk to it like you're talking to a friend, have a back and forth conversation. It's super fun to create these AI influencers on Supercomputer.
NYC vibes today. Everything about this city is just magical.
There are AI influencers, it's everywhere. It's scattered everywhere. And there are people running entire businesses off these. Brand deals, merchandise, affiliate links, sponsorships, you name it. AI influencers are going to outnumber regular influencers 100 to 1 in the next 2 to 3 years. The second business idea is very near and dear to my heart because I actually implement this idea. And it's, in my opinion, it's one of the greatest business models in the entire world. Hands down. It's having your own newsletter or having several newsletters. And let me explain exactly why. Morning Brew sold for $75 million in October 2020. Industry Drive, $525 million, 2022. The Hustle, $27 million. Airmail, 16, Peak, $5 million, et cetera, et cetera. So, and by the way, the Peak sold for $5 million at 150,000 subscribers, 115,000 subscribers, which is in the bigger picture, it's not that hard to get for a newsletter. 1 of your videos can go viral, 3 of your videos can go viral, and you can get this number within 12 months. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but there have been newsletters that this has happened before. The Rundown, it's a phenomenal newsletter, and they got 250,000 subscribers in, I think it was like 6 months. Supercomputer creates an entire business. It finds the niche. It niches down. It finds the pain points. It finds the competitors. Everything that you need to know as far as metrics and analytics are concerned. Starting a business online, Supercomputer has you covered. So let's feed it something like this. I wanna start a newsletter. I know that there's a lot of money in it. I know that I have a few passions, but I want to find a niche that's not very crowded, that there's not 1,000 other newsletters about that. Let's say that I like cars, classic cars. Well, there's a few big classic car newsletters out there, but let's niche down. Niche within a niche can I start when it comes to classic cars? I'm kind of blown away. This is actually a really good sub niche. I might start this. I don't know. This is very good. So he's made the call for us. The newsletter is going to be called the Digital Analog. We are sub niching into the 1980, the 1999 Radwood era. This is currently the fastest growing segment of classic car market. Here we go. Newsletter is called the Digital Analog. Mission to help owners of 80s and 90s cars keep the early electronics alive while celebrating the high contrast culture of the era. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. This is such a perfect example because it takes a large niche and it digs deeper. This is fantastic. The core content pillars, the binary fix, the RAD registry, and the 25-year window, the market. Awesome. Now let's make the landing page. I need you to make the landing page for this. I need you to design it. Everything, make everything for me. I have no time for this now. I'm busy. I need to walk the dog. Make it good. Let's go. Cool. And that's the cool thing about this. You can prompt it, hit enter, walk away, go to the gym, go to the bakery, come back. And it's also giving us ideas of how it can help us further. Daily news curation and drafting. He can scan car auction sites, forums, and tech blogs every morning to find the exact stories that fit your niche. Remember, guys, this is your personal AI computer, supercomputer. The action. I can curate the top 3 market movements, technical breakthroughs, etc. Number 2, viral social growth. Newsletters grow best when they have a viral engine on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is absolutely true. Competitor and ad intelligence, visual content production. I can generate hyper-realistic studio photo shoots of specific 80s, 90s cars using my image generators. This is getting out of hand. Community automation. I can set up Telegram, Discord, Bridge. Automated lead gen. I can search Reddit, Instagram, TikTok for specific keywords and identify high engagement threads. Perfect. This is our website right here. All we do is copy it. We come to an HTML viewer online, which is free. And there's our website. We can take this live through any hosting service, but this is what our website looks like. It's super tight. It has animations. Perfect. It's great to go. This is a great start here. Let's talk about the third business model. I think this one is, it's such a sleeping giant because 99% of all business owners don't know that this technology exists. They don't know that you can make cinematic commercials with a single prompt. They still think that you have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to make a 30 to 60 second cinematic commercial for the restaurant or their barbershop or their real estate agency or whatever the case may be. Let's prove them wrong. Let's actually take up the role of the early adopter and let's start selling these to local businesses. We will massively undercut the competition and bring way more value. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're going to make a commercial for a tire shop called Lou's Tire Shop. Now, Lou is in his 60s and he doesn't know anything about technology. He doesn't want to mess with Facebook. He doesn't want to create advertising. He still thinks that ads and cinematic commercials cost tens of thousands of dollars. Let's prove him wrong at the same time providing massive value and undercutting the competition. Okay, so we know that Lou wants a cinematic commercial. We know that he doesn't want anything to do with technology. And that's okay. That's where the money is. The money is in local business owners that don't know anything about AI or don't even want to learn. That's up to us. So he sent us a picture of the front of his shop. That right there is Lou, and he's talking to a customer. Okay, we uploaded the picture, and we're going to create a cinematic commercial around this one picture. Let me show you what I mean. I need you to create a 15-second cinematic commercial around Lou's Tire Shop. I need the camera to zoom in to the garage, and there's like multi-shots in different scenes and Lou's standing in front of his shop talking to that woman and she looks happy. He looks pleased and it's just make it a great commercial. See, you don't have to be a director. You just have to talk to it like you're talking to your neighbor or whatever. So this was a simple prompt. Let's see what it actually gives us.
2 weeks of gravel roads and diesel on my hands, a paper sack of peaches from that roadside stand. I kept your note.
Let's talk about some of the business ideas that can come to life with programs like Higgsfield Supercomputer. The first one is probably one of my favorites because I believe that these are the future. They're already taking over in 2026, heading into 2027. AI influencers are already making full-time livings off of social media alone, and it's crazy. AI influencers are 100% the future. I'm 100% bullish, not a percentage point less. Second one is a newsletter. Niche, Branded, definitely written by AI to save time and to increase value. You can have paid subscriptions, course sales, sponsorships, brand deals, just like the AI influencer. There's sponsors who want to be a part of your newsletter. Very high margin, extremely high margin. Number 3 is cinematic studio. Film quality ads for local businesses. 30K agency work delivered in 20 minutes. Remember, most businesses in the world, it doesn't matter what niche they're in. Most businesses still think now in 2026 that quality cinematic commercials cost anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000, possibly $20,000 for a 1-minute video. It's crazy. This is what it used to be. They used to be the studio and the lighting and the agency and the models and the editing and the camera. It's all of it. Super complicated and so expensive. With C-Dance 2 and Kling 3.0 inside of Higgsfield, connected to Supercomputer, cinematic videos and ads like this can be done in an afternoon, like done, polished, edited, music, sound, dialogue, good to go. Put it on Fiverr, put it on Upwork, hit up Facebook groups, give massive amounts of value in the groups, and then sell in DMs. I don't think the methods are hard. I think the most difficult part about this, and the difficulty is dependent on the person, of course, is putting out massive volume. I think that's the key in any type of business. It's massive volume, massive emails, massive DMs, any way to reach out to the company, as many touch points as possible. This is where the business is made, in numbers, in volume, for sure. AI influencer, you don't really need that AI newsletter. Just give massive amounts of value in your content. You'll be just fine. Cinema studio, selling to local businesses. And here's the most important part about this, guys. Don't overthink it. Do not be that entrepreneur with ADD, always reaching out for the new shiny thing around the corner. Don't be that. Pick one, start this weekend. Block out Saturday and Sunday, start. But just start. Just start. Stop making excuses. 2026 is here. Anybody, even non-technical people who are complete beginners, can win with the current state of AI technology. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope the video brought you massive value. If you want to try Higgsfield Supercomputer, click the link in the description below. And also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to profit from it as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for non-technical people to just finally make sense of the crazy chaotic world and make some money with it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.